How to change WhatsApp number on Facebook page. So if you want to change your WhatsApp number on your Facebook page, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Facebook page at first. Now once you're on your Facebook, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. And from the horizontal lines, you need to go with your settings. But before that, make sure that you're on your page. So select your page or switch to a page. And after switching, go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then go with settings. And once you're on your settings, you need to scroll down, and here under permissions, you will have linked accounts. You need to tap on linked accounts, and here you will have your WhatsApp. So in my case, I've not connected, but if you've connected your WhatsApp, you will have your phone number. So you need to just go with linked accounts and then select your WhatsApp, and you will have remove option under your WhatsApp number if you've added your number. So you need to go with remove under your WhatsApp number and then add another number. Once you remove, you'll have this kind of interface. Enter your WhatsApp number and then tap on send code to WhatsApp and enter the code that you received on your WhatsApp, and your WhatsApp number will be added. So you need to remove your WhatsApp number at first and then add back again. That's how you can change your WhatsApp number on your Facebook, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.